Hi guys, we arrived now in Nahal. This is the place, guys. So we came here with my friends. So we will doing a hiking, guys. So samahan niyo ako, guys, at ating lakbayin ang lugar na ito. So let's go, guys. Okay guys, so we will start our hiking. So we are hiking with my friend Ramon. Say hi.
Hello.
This is my my photographer. Yan. Let's go, guys. So nandito po tayo sa Nahal. So, lakbayan po natin, guys, ang way na ito. So this is my first time to visit here. So let's see the places. So they have a lot of interesting here. May kanding daw dito. Ayan.
Yan, mga ID.
Ayun guys, saka sa bundok ay ang kambing yan, guys, ha, kambing.
Muna lang national animal diri.
National animals, hindi ka guys sa Pinas Carabao.
Mountain, ang tawag na, mountain goat.
In Philippines, our national animal is Carabao. So here in Israel, this is their national animal, ibex. Parang ano siya, parang kapatid ng kambing. Let's continue the tour. So you can see a lot of ibex here, guys. Only you see that, guys, in the under the tree, a family. A lot here. This one too. Yeah. See, guys, wow, it's a nice, interesting place. So maybe I will organize trip here. So we will visit this place, guys. Look at that. Yan. Daming kambing. So we call it kambing. So in Philippines, they will coat it and make pulutan. Wow, look at the sungay. Ang kanyang sungay ay napakahaba na, oh. Laki-laki na ng sungay niya, guys. Very. Oh, look at that. So nice. Oh.
That's what I don't like to do. And after walk.
Kumakain siya, guys, nananalangin, nakaluhod. He's praying, Ken. He's praying when he eating. He eating food. They have also there under the trees. They have also ibex there. Oh. So we will continue our hiking, guys. So a very interesting place, this, guys. So just now I see a lot of this ibex here. See, this is nice. So maybe I organize trip here. We walking and we will see this beautiful creature there. And there, they have a lot there, guys, under the tree. We come, I walk from here. Okay, look at that, guys. Ayan. Grabe na yung sungay. Pag yung ganyan ng sungay, yung ano na yan, old na. Ayan, guys, ang dami. Wow, a lot. See, guys, see me. Wow, look at that place. Ang dami nila, guys. Wow, napakarami ng ibex dito, guys. Wow, interesting. Never see this place. Lapitan natin konti, guys. So ito po sila. Ayan, ang dami nila dito. Ini. See, and this is, I think this is a female ibex. Yan. Ang dami nila guys. Oh, very nice. This one mini. Hindi kagaya sa atin na tatakpo sila mga ano. Ayan. Wow, it's very nice. Dito po ako sa ibang way guys. Andun sa baba yung mga kasamahan kong mga nag-hiking, mga pamilya-pamilya. Ako lang yun nandito sa kabilang way. Nag-iisa. Wala pong ibang sumunod sa akin. Ako lang po yung nandito. So, kita nyo yan guys. Yung mountain na yan guys. Ayan. Very nice. Oh, not so hot now. It's a nice weather. So, it's very nice to make a hiking. Very interesting. Ayan. Mayroon na naman dito. Ayan guys, they have a lot here. Another group. Yun you see? Wow, very nice. Interesting place. They have a lot everywhere. Ayan. Doon guys. Ayan. Another group. Okay guys, we are going in the lower waterfalls. So nandito po yun guys. So we will check their lower waterfalls. Okay. So hindi tayo susunod sa kanila guys. Wala tayong space para mag-vlog doon. So we will come this way and we will take their waterfalls. So ito po ang kanilang small waterfalls. Ayan, pwede ka palang maligo dito guys. Wow, ayan po ang waterfalls guys. Galing sa taas. Ayan yung mga ibang grupo na nag-hiking also. Mga young people. So nandito po yung falls. Ayan. Ganda yung falls. Ayan, may mga bata, mga kids. The family is here. They're very clean. The water is very clean. Yeah. Okay guys, let's continue our hiking. So mahabang lakaran ito guys. So let's see. Very nice. It's interesting. It's a good exercise for everybody. So hala. Oh, my telephone. I forgot in the car. Okay guys, ito na po yung tubig galing dun sa bumaba dun sa falls. Ayan. Galing siya dito. Ayan, ang linaw-linaw ng tubig guys. Ayan. Yan, papunta po siya dun sa baba. Ayun yung falls, yung una nating tiningnan. So let's go up. So dito tayo. Akyat tayo din guys. Akyatin natin yan oh. Yan po ang ating aakyatin ngayon.
Follow me.
Okay guys. Dito pa tayo guys. Pupunta tayo doon. Doon. Lalakbayin natin yan. Yung taas na yon, bundok na yon. Iikutin natin yan guys. So nandito pa lang tayo sa okay. Ayan. Let's go. So it's nice. Good for the body and soul. Oh, you must be careful to walking here. Yes, guys. Oh, guys. Hello. Oh, look at that. Ayan, kita nyo yung back, guys. Yan po yung Dead Sea, guys. Yun po ang Dead Sea. Tanaw po natin ang Dead Sea, guys. Yan po. Yan po ang Dead Sea, ha. Anaakyatin natin yung bundok na yan, guys. Doon tayo pupunta. Hanggang bababa tayo. Doon sa baba. This is the second waterfalls. Ayan, guys. Pupunta doon sa baba. Ayan. The second waterfalls. Be careful sa paglalakad. At baka madulas. Ayan, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys. Napakalinaw ng tubig, guys. Super linaw. Yan, galing yan doon sa taas, guys. Oh, napakalinaw ng tubig. Oh. Maraming linaw ng tubig, guys. So, hindi lang nakapagdala ng bihisan. So, maliligo sana dito. Pwede magtampisaw dito mamaya sa falls. Sayang. Sayang na sayang, guys. Ayan. Ayan, guys, ang tubig galing yan doon sa taas, oh. Ayun, guys, another falls, small falls. So napakasarap doon maligo siguro, no. Sayang walang dalang bihisan. Makaligo sana doon. Lamig pa naman ng tubig, oh, linaw pa naman. Very refreshing. See, they have another small waterfalls here. Ayan, another small waterfalls. So look at the water, guys. It's very, very clean. Look at that. So clean, guys. Oh. Going down. Wow, wow, wow. Very, very nice. And this is the... Hi, guys! Pasukin natin yung yungib, guys, oh. Ayan. Ayan, ito po ang daanan doon, guys. Medyo madilim. Ito yung daanan. Ayan. Kailangan dahan-dahan, guys. Dahil mabasa ang ating dadaanan. So, very wet. And I think it's slippery. So, you must be careful when you plan to walk here. So now, and we will see the other, and in the end of this you can see other falls. So they have another waterfalls here. So they have a young people now enjoying the falls. So wow, this is the falls. Very nice falls. Yeah. Nice falls, guys. So, very, very nice. Clean water. Ayan po, guys. Oh. Yan po yung papunta yung nating pinag-umpisahan kaninang walking, guys. Yan, doon yan papuntang tubig, guys. Pakalinaw, guys. Very, very nice. Nice. Okay, guys, let's continue to our walking. So this is the last waterfalls, guys. So the David Waterfalls. So let's go. So the David Waterfalls is here. So we will see the David Waterfalls. Hello, guys, we arrived now to the David Waterfalls. So this is the place. So this is, they call it the David Waterfalls from the top. Ayan. On the top, guys. Okay. And it's going down here. So yeah, this is the David Waterfalls. And there are some people enjoying here. Look at that. Very nice. Nice one. Hi! Nandito tayo ngayon sa David Waterfalls. Enjoy, guys! Guys, this is the view from the top, from the David Waterfalls. So, yan po yung, guys. Nandito po ako sa taas. Baba siya. Napakaganda. Very nice place. Hi guys, so I finished Ligo Falls, so we're going now back to the parking where the car is. So ayan, so we're going back. So alakbayin natin guys, ito po yung way pa exit guys, balik to the entrance. So about wonderful weather today, not so hot. So guys, you see that guys, that's the Dead Sea. Ayan. Ito po ang ating walking tour. Ayan. Okay. Yeah. So this is the exit guys. Going back. Ayan. So we must watch our steps. We must be careful because it's very dangerous if you will fall down. You have a big rock here, so for sure you will get an injury if you will fall here. So we must watch our steps. So going down, so you must hold this steel bar. It's going down to the exit. Oh. Yalla, 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 habibi. Let's go, habibi. Okay, one more down and it's finished. Yes, whoops, ayan, finish. Hi guys, if you like this video, please give me thumbs up and see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much.